Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn new poem. The name of the poem is Shoes. This poem is about shoes. And the speaker of this poem is a boy. And this boy is telling about shoes. Let's read the first stanza of this poem. My father has a pair of shoes, shining and beautiful to see. I want to wear my father's shoes. They are too big for me. The speaker of this poem means this boy. This boy is of your age. And this boy is telling in the first stanza of this poem that his father has a pair of shoes. In this picture you can see that this boy is wearing shoes and those shoes are very big. Definitely these shoes are of his father. And how these shoes are, the boy is describing the shoes are very shining and beautiful to see. So he likes his father shoes. And what the speaker means, this boy is telling you, I want to wear my father's shoes. This boy wish to wear his father's shoes. But dear children, tell me, is it possible to wear these shoes, his father's shoes? No, not at all. Why? Because they are too big for this boy. The boy is telling that they are too big for me. Means these shoes are very big and boy's foot are very small. So that's why he cannot wear the shoes. But he likes his father's shoes. Why does he like his father's shoes? Because they are very shiny and beautiful. So he wished to wear his father's shoes. But it's not possible because his foot are too small to wear these shoes. Because will not fit to his foot. They are big in size. So he is unable to wear the shoes of his father. Let's see the second stanza of this poem. My baby brother has a pair as cute as they can be. Even those I can't wear, they are too small for me. In the second stanza, the boy is telling that he has a baby brother. It means younger brother who is small baby, and he has a pair of shoes. And you know that babies shoes generally they are very cute, colorful and cute, and with the sound, having sound, whistling sound, and they are very cute. And this boy wished to wear these shoes, but he know that he cannot wear. If he wished to wear those shoes because they are very cute, he likes those shoes of his baby brother, but he is unable to wear those shoes. Why? Because the shoes are very small and he cannot wear those shoes. You can see in this picture the shoes are very small, so he cannot wear. Though they are cute, he likes those, but he cannot wear those shoes. Why this boy cannot wear his father's shoes? Because they are very big in size. And why he can't wear his baby brother's shoes, though are they very cute? Why? Because baby brother's shoes are very small in size. That's why he cannot wear those shoes. Now the third stanza of this poem. There's only one thing that I can do till I get small or grown. If I want to have some fitting shoes, I'll have to wear my own. Though the boy like his father's shoes and his baby brother's shoes, but he cannot wear because of his size. If he wish to wear those, he have to go small. Either he have to grow small, become small, or grown up. When he grown up like his father, he can wear father's shoes. And if he becomes smaller like his baby, then he can wear his baby brother's shoes. But it's not possible. So what he have to do only? He have to use his own fitting shoes. So the boy is saying, if I want to have some fitting shoes, I will have to wear my own. So finally, the boy realized that he has to wear his own shoes. And finally, the speaker means the poet realized that his own shoes can be fit to him. Person to person, the size of the shoes is different. In this fun time on page number 10, you can understand, write the shoes size your family members wear. Here table is given. Here family members, name of a family members is given here, father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, and here you have to write the size of the shoe. It will be different from person to person. For example, my father required 9 number shoes, mother may require 5 or 6 number shoes, in this way. So find out the shoe size and write down here. Okay.